In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Temu text messages by turning off texts and notifications. If you've been finding your inbox a bit overwhelming with notifications from Temu, you're not alone, and we're going to tackle that today with a few straightforward steps. Firstly, you need to open your browser or Temu app and navigate to the Temu website. Once you're on the home page, look toward the top right corner of the screen. This is where you'll find your profile icon or the login button. Go ahead and click on your profile if you're not logged in yet. Don't worry, as you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. After accessing your profile, you'll see a variety of options that help you manage your account. Our focus today is on streamlining your notifications. So you'll want to look for a section labeled as notifications or something similar. Click on this section to proceed. Now you'll find yourself on a page specifically dedicated to notification settings. Each type of notification can be managed here. Since we're focusing on text messages first, ensure that the SMS notification option is turned off. Typically, there will be a slider or a checkbox next to SMS notifications. You'll want to make sure this is switched off. This setting will prevent any further text messages from coming through, making your device a little less busy. Once you've managed to turn off SMS notifications, it's a good idea to consider the other notification types. Head back to the main notifications page. Here you might see options for email notifications, app alerts, or other forms of communication Temu uses. We want to be thorough, so take a careful look through these options. Now, if you really prefer to minimize interruptions, you can go ahead and turn off all notifications. This is usually an overall toggle or setting on the same notifications page. By doing this, you're ensuring that your focus stays uninterrupted by any form of Temu-related communication. Lastly, remember that you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind later on. Life circumstances or preferences might shift, making it necessary to adjust your notifications settings again. You have full control over how and when you receive communication from Temu, and there you have it. A simple way to regain control over your notifications and stop those pesky Temu text messages in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps bring a bit more peace to your digital life.